Is Google Ad worth it for restaurants? Absolutely 100%. And here's why. With local based businesses, so it could be restaurant, shop, plumber, locksmith, and any local service based type business or a bricks and mortar. You only want to advertise in a 5 to 10 mile radius unless you are a specialist in something and people are prepared to travel from miles and miles away because there's no one like you. In that case, that's different. But in majority of the cases, you just want to be local. Now, let's say a restaurant would probably advertise around a 5 mile radius around them. So the location is not very big. The population is smaller as well. And there may not be many searches on Google for that kind of restaurant, be it pizza, Turkish, Indian, Chinese, or whatever. So what you want to do is to build up your brand so that the local people know who you are, where you are, and what you do. And the way to build up that brand is through search campaigns, remarketing campaigns, display campaigns, and video. Now, with display and video campaigns, that's huge because it is not intent based, it's disrupting somebody's online surfing or searching. If I've gone to YouTube and I'm looking to watch a football video or a golfing video, all of a sudden the restaurant ad pops up. Now, I wasn't looking for the restaurant. I'd gone to YouTube to watch my videos, or I've gone to CNN to read the news, and all of a sudden the banner ads pop up for that restaurant offering an happy hour or a special offer or whatever. That way, when these ads keep popping up thousands, tens of thousands of times, and millions of times over a period of time, everyone in that local vicinity or local area is going to know of them, would have seen somewhere on the internet, and the brand recognition and the branding would go up. So what that means is people are then more likely to go to Google and search for their brand term. And when you start to get searches made for your brand name, you know that your brand awareness campaigns are working. So I would highly recommend that you start with search ads, display, video, and remarketing.